Hey friends, what's up? I'm back with yet another card trick. This is known as the shin splint, which was originally performed by the great Shin, but he had not posted a tutorial. Instead, he had asked to pay for the tutorial. So guys, I had from somewhere arranged the tutorial for you, just for you. So guys, here first let us just go into the performance right now. Hey friends, um, so here I got, you can say, a completely normal deck. You can see it from here. It is completely normal, there isn't any problem. And in this trick we got 4 cards. 4, and ace, another ace of clubs, ace of spades, and the ace of diamonds. You can see that we just require these 4 cards only. So once again guys, you can see that, as you can see, these are not at all gimmicked. See, these are quite normal and ordinary cards. Hey friends, once again I am back. As you can see, the light was quite high, so that I have just now adjusted a bit of light, so now you'll be able to see it properly. So once again we are back. We require just 4 cards. Here's the ace of diamond, which is not at all gimmick, that's what we say it as. Then the ace of spades, the ace of clubs, and at the end ace of hearts. So let me change the angle. As you can see, the 4 cards. These are the 4 cards. Now here's the trick. This is not the original shin splint. Instead I will actually, you can say that it is my version of dash shin splint. So here is it. And I will just place my hand over it. You can see, and I'm just going to drag it out. And by the way, when I drag it out, you can see that something has changed. When the card appears automatically. So guys, this was the trick. The great shin splint, which under my version of the great shin splint, it is quite nice, it is quite good, and it is not at all difficult. That's what everybody say. And I can do this trick in a different way also. But for the time being, let's get on to the tutorial. So friends, we are back onto the tutorial. First, let me explain you the basic way of doing this trick. In this trick, we will start by using 4 cards, the aces. What you wanted to do is, let me tell you, here are the aces, the 4 aces, the ace of diamonds, spades, the ace of diamond, clubs, spades, and heart. So what you want to do is you want to begin with a setup. Keep all those 4 in the top of the deck and just place them right like this. Catch a pinky break. Now you just begin the trick. You just show these 4 cards. You will be using these 4 cards. That is the aces. And then while showing you, you just do like this. And then just square up the cards. Basically, let me explain you what this move looks like. Let me do this move without these cards. Basically, here it is, you are showing them, and then these are on this up to hide these cards are blocking the view, and then with your middle finger and your first finger, you're just going to lift up this card and place it under this back of the 4, and then square it up, so that now you got this, not the 4 cards, instead you got the 5 cards. but now the spectator will be easily able to know that you had got 5 cards. So now what I do to just not let him know these are 5 cards, and to count in front of him very confidently, what you wanted to do is you want to just take the top card, the top ace, and you wanted to just do like this and tell him these are not at all the gimmick, the fake cards, or whatever you want to call it, and then place it right like this in the direction in which the top card is facing, that is upwards. And then you will be going to do like this: place the top card off and place it downwards, place the rest of the deck on it, place the top card downward, rest of the deck, top card downward, rest of the deck. So now you had already got one of the aces turned, and you have got 5 cards, but the spectator will not be able to notice it. And the top card is not a ace, it is the card which you had just stolen from the deck. You just square it up quite nicely, and then you will show the spectator you got just 4 cards. So basically you do like this. See, in one card at a time, quite simple. Like this, you want to end up like this, showing just 4 cards. This is the view from the bottom, but they will not be able to notice it. Like this, you don't want to flash this card, so be a bit slow, take your time, practice this move. This is quite easy. And then place your hand like this, and while coming at the end, just try to block your view a bit, and move this card, which is third, and place it over the 4th card. So now if you're just going to take the hand out, there will be just 3 cards, but you just don't want to end with the 3 cards. Instead you will just slide the top card this and will make this card appear. Basically this is the whole trick, and I will be just wait, don't go anywhere. It is a bit more left in the video, and this is the another trick which you can do with this move, which is somewhat like this. So show the 4 cards like this, and then without any hand, see, without any hand, one of the cards from the 4 cards appear. Basically this is the original shin splint which you wanted me to taught. Basically I know that you may have got the idea how to do this one, but if you not got the idea, then it's okay guys. Still I will be making a tutorial, not now but soon, because I posted the video already on my version of the shin splint, and I taught you. This is not the same the original shin splint, this is a bit different and effective. If you want to know how to do this trick, then you need to like the video. As soon as I get 500 likes, this is my process guide, I will be showing you how to do this one. But for the time being, you can go and check out in the description. I had posted a video on the ultimate 2000, the ultimate 3 card monte, which is not as the usual card monte, because it has even included a tutorial, basic tutorial. This is very difficult, this has never been posted on YouTube. This is entirely new, developed by the MTM Master the Magic Corporation. But for the time being, you go and check it out and learn that trick, which does not require any gimmick. This is great, and I hope do you like this video. So like, and don't forget to subscribe.